In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay for the MetroCard using your phone. So if you're on an iPhone device, the first thing you want to do is you want to open up your phone and look for the wallet application, which should already be installed on your device because it comes built in with the phone. If you're on an Android, then you want to look for the wallet application right over here. And if you don't see it for whatever reason, because sometimes some Android devices don't have the wallet app, then just go to the Google Play Store and look up wallet, and then you should be able to go ahead and install it. So me personally, I'm on an Android, but the process is going to be the exact same thing, except the UI and like the buttons might look a little bit different, but it's still going to be the same thing. So what you will need to do is you will need to open up your respective wallet application, and then you will need to go ahead and add a payment card. So over here on Google Pay, you will get an option that says add payment card. So basically that is going to allow you to connect your debit card or your credit card to your wallet. And then from there, you can basically use your phone in order to pay for the MetroCard and stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and add a payment card right over here. So I'm going to be right back with you guys once I entered in my card number and my 3 digits and stuff like that. All right, then once you entered it in, you may need to verify that you're the actual card holder. So it may ask you to send a SMMS message. So please be sure to get your phone ready and make sure to copy the code whenever they do send it to you. But then afterwards, you should get something that looks like this. It will say virtual card number is ready to tap and pay. Go ahead and press on got it. But in order to actually use your phone, what you need to do is you need to hold your phone near the Omni reader at the subway turnstile or the bus fare reader and wait for the reader to show go. That means that it worked and you can now enter. So it really is that simple. You need to go ahead and put your phone on top of the Omni reader. Once you have that done, you may need to go ahead and turn on your phone in order for the Omni to actually read your device. But anyways, guys, if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.